Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to consume Ashwagandha capsules step by step. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb, widely recognized for its ability to help manage stress and support overall well-being. When starting, it's crucial to understand the basics. Most capsules typically contain between 250 and 600 milligrams of ashwagandha extract. Always prioritize and strictly follow the specific dosage instructions printed on your chosen product's label for safe and effective use. Deciding when to take your ashwagandha can depend on your personal goals. To enhance absorption and reduce any potential stomach discomfort, it's generally recommended to take your capsules with food. Some people find that taking ashwagandha in the morning provides excellent support for managing daily stressors. Conversely, if your primary goal is to improve sleep quality, an evening dose might be more beneficial for you. Experiment to see what works best. Consistency is truly key when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of ashwagandha. To achieve the best results, make it a habit to take your capsules consistently every single day. While some people might feel effects sooner, it's common for noticeable improvements to emerge after 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. If you plan on taking ashwagandha for an extended period or have any underlying health conditions, always consult a healthcare professional. Before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine, it's vital to consider a few important points. Always discuss its use with your doctor, particularly if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should strictly avoid ashwagandha. Finally, to maintain its potency and shelf life, ensure you store your ashwagandha capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.